Hello teacher, so today I'm going to explain about the resume of the unit that we learned. So first with the first unit, that is number 4, I'm going to explain the passive present simple past, the passive in present simple and past simple. So we use the passive when we focus on the action or object, not on the agent, the person or thing that did the action, or when we don't know who or when or what the agent is. So passive in present simple, the passive voice uses the verbs is and are plus past participle of the main verb. The passive voice present is often used to describe process, opinions, beliefs, and thoughts. And passive in past simple voices uses the verb was and were plus past participle of the main verb. The passive voice in past is often used to describe events, crimes, or accidents. So in Unit 5 we learn about countable and uncountable nouns. In English grammar, countable nouns are individual people, animal, places, things, or ideas which can be counted. And uncountable nouns are not individual objects, so they cannot be counted. For example, in countable nouns have a singular and plural form, like a company, and in plural it has to be companies. And uncountable nouns form only have a singular form. We use the word the with an uncountable nouns and the singular verb form. We use for an uncountable nouns words that is like little, a lot of, much, and some. The word much we use in negative and questions, a lot of in affirmative sentences, and some the same affirmative sentence. And for countable nouns we use the words many, like it's in negative and questions, a lot of affirmative sentence, few is used for countable nouns in plural, and some we use when the sentences is positive. For the next unit, that is number 6, we'll study grammar comparisons. We use the comparative form of an adjective is commonly used to compare two people, things, or states when you want to say that one thing has a larger or smaller amount of quality than another. If the second part of the comparisons is mentioned, it follows that. In the form, we use comparisons with er, est, or more, most, less, and least. And superlative use form is for more than two people, things, or states, when one thing has qualities that excess all the others. Superlative adjectives have the in front of them, and we can also use one of plus superlative plus plural noun to show that there are more than one of the superlative items. And the last unit is number 7, that we saw present perfect and past simple. So present perfect form is with have and has plus past participle. We often use the contraction of has and have when we speak. And we used present perfect for time expression like for, since, just, yes, so far, already, ever, never. And past simple form we used ed to form the past simple for irregular verbs ending or all. Different sometimes the whole word change. we use the past simple to talk about actions and situations in the past which happen at a specific time. So we learn about past simple in the last exam. So I think it's all for now. Thank you.